marami na tayong nasob na kaso kapag ka napatunayan natin na nagsisinungaling sa pamamagitan ng ng polygraph examination, nagagamit po ito ng investigative tool, bagamat ito po ay hindi magagamit na actual na ebidensya pagdating sa pagpa-file ng kaso. Kanina binabanggit ko na in the event that the investigators are not yet convinced on the statements being offered by a witness, malamang pwedeng maipatawag para may request for polygraph examination. Pero kung halimbawa namang ang mga investigador ay kumbinsido na sa mga nakita nilang ebidensya at ito'y nagtutugma doon sa statements na ino-offer naman ng particular na witness, malamang wala nang need for a polygraph examination. It's actually a hypothetical statement. Kung mag-conduct ng search warrant operation, tsaka nang makunan po siya ng statement, hindi naman po, wala naman pong dahilan para i-take custody ng NBI yung driver. Well, I would like to respect the findings of the PNP insofar as their conclusion that it's suicide. Sa amin po, we would like to complement their findings. Kung yan po lalabas sa aming investigation, we will be more than happy to support that conclusion. Pero dahil po gusto naman namin tapusin muna yung investigation ng aming NBI car, kaya mas maganda po muna na hindi namin sabihin na ganyan ang aming findings.